Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenSwim Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these headphones into pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when it's blinking over here, blue, red, blue, red. So if I look on the bottom here, you have the plus and the minus button. So let me first turn these headphones off. The plus button is here. I'm going to press and hold that button for a few seconds, wait till it turns off. There's a red light there, let go. Now it just turned off. Now I'm going to put it in pairing mode. So with the headphones off, I'm going to press and hold that plus button, and I want to keep holding and wait until it starts blinking blue, red right there. Okay, so the plus sign is here. Ready, press and hold. Now keep holding, wait. Still holding, wait. Blue, red. There we go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our TV. You just want to go to your settings. You can click on the settings button in your remote, or you can navigate to the settings on your Samsung TV. This one here, I go left, and I'm going to go down to settings. I'll select it. Now it's all settings there. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And now from here, I'm going to go down one to sound. I'm going to select that. And now sound output is currently coming out of my TV speaker, but we wanted to come out of these headphones. So let's select sound output. And now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. Select that. And now that spinning thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. And mine's in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red. Now let me just scroll down and look for, these are my other headphones and earbuds I have connected to this TV here. OpenSwim Pro, there we go. And it says needs pairing. Okay, so let's go ahead and select that. Pair and connect. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. And then if I stroll up here, oh, you can see it says connected right there. So pretty simple. If you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset on these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.